Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica. This is my fashion and beauty channel. And for today's video, I got two Jeffree Star Mystery Valentine's Day boxes. The reason I ordered two is because I wanted the $75 one, but by the time I ordered it, it was out of stock. So that was okay. I was fine with that. Then I put one of the $40 boxes in my cart, and I saw that the shipping to Canada was $30 US. I was like, wow, that's like a lot. 30 US is a lot of money for shipping. So then I added a second box just to see if the shipping would be the same or if it would be more. And the shipping was the same if it was one box or two boxes. So I said I might as well get two boxes. Since I was gonna spend $75 plus tax, plus shipping anyways, I'll spend $80. My shipping will be the same, and I'll get extra product. Now, if there's duplicates of anything, I'm gonna put them in a giveaway, but you'll know if there's a giveaway in the title, because as I'm filming, I don't know yet. So I'm gonna start with one box and open it up, and yeah, let's see what I got. So the two boxes actually came in a bigger box, so these two are not sealed. And, oh, okay. Woo, got my pink paper. So I'll just set this aside. Alright, so we got the pocket socket like everybody did. That's great. First thing I got is the Velour liquid lipstick in Can't Relate. So I'm going to swatch this because I don't have this color. Beautiful sparkly packaging. I got stuff on my hands. Using my left hand to swatch. So that's Can't Relate. The next liquid lipstick I got is Watermelon Soda. Oh, I don't know. So that's this color. Ooh, it's super bright. So that's Watermelon Soda. The next one is Triggered. I'm really excited because I really wanted this color. So yay. Oh, I got it here. Got my little Valentine's Day look here going on. Ooh. Ooh, it's a really deep purple. That's Triggered. And then I got the Lip Ammunition in Starfish. There's the packaging. Ooh, this is like a Barbie pink. And that's Starfish. And then the Skin Frost that I got is Deep Freeze. This is the blue one. I don't know. Look how big it is. Wow. That is massive. So there is the Deep Freeze. Oh, wow. They're really soft. And there's a swatch. Okay, so that was box number uno. So that's it. Now, I think that because they put them in the same box, they would know that it's going to the same person. So my hope is that this box has different stuff. So let's see. So again, we've got the pop socket, oh, watermelon soda. Ooh, so this is good. Okay, so this Velour liquid lip is watermelon soda, so that's a duplicate. This is Jeffree's Girl, the lip ammunition. So this is a little bit of a different color. This is Jeffree's Girl. And let's compare it to Starfish. So they are quite different. Okay, let me swatch this. Actually, I'm not gonna swatch this. I'm gonna put Jeffree's Girl in the giveaway. Because it's very similar to the pink, and I don't really wear much pink lipsticks, so that's gonna go in the giveaway along with watermelon soda. I also got Can't Relate again, so this is gonna go in the giveaway. The other one I got is Clout. Oh, what is happening today? Clout. So that's what I want. This one. I love purples. So that is Clout. It's like a lilac frosty color. And then I got the Skin Frost in Regina George, which I don't have, but it's a pink highlighter, which I probably won't use just as much as I won't use the blue one, but I like the blue one. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna give away the Regina George Skin Frost and Jeffree's Girl Can't Relate and watermelon soda and a pop socket because I don't need two. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and follow me on Instagram. And I'll put the link for my Instagram in the description box. And today is February 6th. Let's say this goes up on the 7th. I will draw a winner on the 10th. So Regina George, Jeffree's Girl, Can't Relate, watermelon soda, and a pop socket. Like my channel, like this video. Sorry. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below on this video your Instagram handle. And if you're following me on Instagram, then you'll be entered into the draw if you're subscribed and following me. Okay? I'll put all the instructions down below, directions, whatever. And yeah, I'll send it all to you in a box wrapped in the tissue paper, just like you got it from Jeffree himself. Thanks guys for watching this video. I know I'm probably like the last one to post because I got it so late. But yeah, good luck to the winner. Bye guys.